Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then tap on About Phone. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore and scroll down to find Google Backup. All we have to do is to tap on Backup Account. If you cannot, just make sure that you've got this option turned on by using the switcher. So Backup Account and the internet connection. Remember about the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it just like that. Okay, tap on next. As you can see, it will be auto-filled, and then we have to enter the password, so out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Hello? Okay. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it if you want to, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info. However, let's tap on accept because your device should open this step with the Google One information. So as you can see, you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages also. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, of course, whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, will store it securely, and you can manage the backup easily. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, our account has been added here, so it means that from now on the device will back up the data on this account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.